After creating the project, you could see here Solution Explorer. If not, go to the View menu, Go to the View menu. So many windows will be available. Those things you have to. What teacher I have to add? Directly go to the new item. That is one way. Another one, add a new data source. Anything, right? Please come now. Add a new item. Why? Because I'm going to create that data source. Click on box is there. Are the properties. Data source 1. I'm going to do rename exercise 1. What about the catalogs? All those details which we need to provide the connect. See here, what are the things it is asking? Server name. Then database will expand. Go to your Object Explorer. Take the server name and make it. Once after giving the server name only, your database name we can able to select. What is the database? AdventureWorks DW. Your server initial catalog, that means from where you are going to be used. It is done. Can I click OK? Did you notice, as I said, the same window I will use for all. Otherwise, first you do data source, then here, why teacher like that you might ask, right? That's why it is. Do you the default data set 1? Added. Did you notice? Data set 1 under your data source. Maybe you have created more than one data source. Teacher, you said the current process records, collection of records based on your filter designer, and in this query designer dialog, which table you want to make reference now? Dim employee. Excellent. Just click here. It shows you add table. That dialog. So add the table will come and sit here. Now you have to check your activity question or exam question. What are the columns they have given? Email address I need. Marital status I need. Gender I need. How much sick leave hours? What are the things you can check here? Email address, marital status, gender, sick leave hours. Your data set is ready. Still you are not created the report. And one thing did you notice here, up to this I don't need any other windows. Understood? Once you select, did you notice here your report by default white report. This is report. Here I want to change the report name. Yes, you can change. For example, report 1 is. Don't remove .rdl. Okay? .rdl. Here, it's got the plain area surface with the two tabs, design and preview. Please make clear you are not going to execute your report. Just the preview is enough. You can see the data, new data set or created data set. I have created already data set 1 underscore ex1, right? Just double click. Now you could see what are the columns which I have selected in the data sets are attached. Maybe there one more column I forget to add. What you have to do? Go there, data. Every step is saved. Have a heading you can do. In bottom teacher, I need a table with header data like that it will come. Header means column heading. Data means from the database it will display. Teacher, only one row is there. How many rows it will display? Auto. Give me auto. How many number of records you have in your table? Accordingly it will increase. Right. Now, did you notice here? Like form view like that, once image will come. Right? That is nothing but your data set you are connected properly. Then simply ask. These are the columns which I have taken from the table. Right? Now, gender and marital status I want to make concatenation. It's called calculated column, derived column. Is it possible? Yes. What do you mean by string concatenation? Merging, huh? That also, if they ask that you can do. Even the teacher is asking, one new, everything, your server, database, everything you have given properly. See here, email, marital status, gender, all displaying, and then you can notice you are in the first page, right? If I go to the last page, no records. Maybe 7th page, so many records. See here. Now come to the design. Here I have placed already these tables and all. I need the heading for my report. You can just click insert text box. What is it is? Maybe I am going to be say if I remove this, your grouping will be colors. So this one I have to. And after that only it will come to the go to the one page or other pages you can able to see. See, male group start from page number 3. So up to that female groups. This is called row grouping. Understood? Any other doubt? Maybe here itself you can able to create a title. For example, go to the design. Teacher, my teacher, I want today, date and time. See, underline today, date and time. Select the text box properly. The express 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Just right click. Right, insert text box. Then select the text box. The expression. Okay? Expression. In this expression, lot of things are there. Even in the building function itself, I can use page number which can be reset through the use of page breaks. Okay? But sometimes you have noticed page 1 of 4, page 2 of 4, like that. That is different. In another exercise I will show. Right? Now save. Don't forget to save and preview. You can see your page. See here, the last page is 8. Clear? That's it. Thank you all. Happy weekend. Drive safely. Reach home safely. We will see you in the next class. In the next week, second class, you have the activity chapter. Right? This image I am going to be attached. It is BNB file. Right? So invalid. Like that it is telling. There itself it will show you which image you want. That image should be a JPG image. When you download itself, it will show the nature of the file. Clear? Right top. My teacher is asking me dynamically it has to display the generating a report. Time it has to display. Right? Execution time will get that means both date and time. Last class only date. Now current time. Right? Last class what I did is the common function date and time. Date string I used last class. Now I don't want. I am going to be use time string. Here teacher this is the one. Check here. Returns are set to the string value representing the current time of the day according to your system. Maybe today you are generating, it will display today date. Maybe to this and close parameters should be there. Because it is a function. Along with my teacher is asking, write report time like that on text. Is it possible? Yes. You did last class also. Teacher, then it shows error. How can I rectify? String with this, it is called string concatenation you have to do, otherwise it will not display. Alright? This is called string concatenation symbol, ampersand symbol. We did the previous class also, yesterday class also we did, last class also we did, today also. Both class I was absent means today. Now you tell me what is the text box name? This is the first text box if you are using, it is called text box 1. Why teacher you are? Sales report. Annual sales. Where off the bottom, rightmost corner of the bottom, I need the page number. It has to be for example. Section 1. Next, insert another text box. The right corner of the bottom. What is it you are going to do? Here, page number I am going to display. Page number. That also through function. How teacher page number? Earlier I told you if you are having 10 pages, but currently you are in the page number 1 of 10. Like that. I don't want any text. Right? This are. So now just right click. See the expression. In this expression you can note in the building. What is it? What are page number? See here, for example, you are in the page 1, it will show. Or you are in the page 10, like that, it will display. 1 of 10. Of is a string. Concatenation you have to do, right? After the string, anything is there, you have to concat, right? This is the concatenation symbol. Then after the string, anything you are going to do, yes, you have to do this. Then you can note what. See here. Overall total pages. Why teacher? All pages, right? Review. Only header and footer only. Upgrade reserved for time now 8:34 seconds. Timestamp. Report time. Then my logo all is right. Now teacher, I want my actual report you have to generate or design. Where I have to go? Again click your tab design.